This is a burning issue for all the MacBook users. You can't find a single USB 3.1 port on this MacBook, which I use to connect flash drives, wireless mouse, mobile phones and so many things as a Windows user. But there are some expensive solutions as well as cheap solutions. This is the most expensive solution, $69, but it has a lot more than a USB port. There is a USB Type-C port, HDMI port and a normal USB port. As for the price tag and the clean design, you all know this is a product from Apple. Now we have $10 cable which has only one USB port. For the $10 price tag, this is more than enough. And this is working super fine. Finally, $1 and this works perfectly well. I didn't test the data transfer speeds on any of these devices, but I do test for a continuous connectivity. And believe me, this tiny $1 gadget $69 USB extended cable. I always give my first priority to this tiny device because of the size and the price. So it's up to you to choose how to fix your MacBook Pro no USB port problem, by expensive way or a cheaper way.